So yeah, I just wanted to show, I've got this one video here. This is the assembly instructions video that, I'll see if it'll go away there. So basically, Leo is saying generate an assembly. Someone's saying generate an assembly of this, generate some instructions step by step. This is one that we spend a lot of time. We find our users are spending a lot of time on is, okay, I have to take a screenshot. We have Composer, SolidWorks Composer is built for this, and you can sit there and you can make it a little bit more refined. But I wanted to show how good these assembly instructions are, since we kind of skipped over this a little bit. But let's say you're going here, you've got a full assembled file here and you want to create assembly instructions. So if it's designed in a way that Leo can tell how each one of these parts go together and what steps. So it's doing all this automatically. It's going in here and saying, okay, there's a fastener here. Then you're going to have to put this part in. And look how good these instructions are. I was really kind of surprised how it creates a thumbnail image, a bomb. It's just laid out in a really simple way where you can read it and you can see the instructions as it goes through.
And
So
export it to
yeah.
PDF.
So this is automatically created and how it would look. And then I also had a video here. Let's see if I can pull this one up. The drawing creation that I wanted to show. So since we were, showing a few examples of that. So here's an example of if I have my template set up, if I have my ANSI standard in here applied to my files, I can tell it and I can set my SolidWorks up to read all my defaults exactly how my company does drawings, which most people are already well down the road of setting up anyway. So it knows all my standards, it knows all my defaults in SolidWorks. It would create this drawing just from a prompt. So, and that works now. You can experiment with that. So I just wanted to show those two.